How to turn on Stitch on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. And here from the Account section, click on Privacy. Then scroll down to the Interactions section, and from there click on Stitch. Now, as you can see, the Who Can Stitch with your videos option is set to only me. So in order for you to allow and enable the Stitch on TikTok, you can select either the first or second option, whatever suits you the best. And keep in mind that TikTok tells you that others may not be able to stitch with the videos that you don't allow in your videos privacy settings. So keep that in mind. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and allow Stitch on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.